another video, man. Hey, it's your boy, man, Kang from LOUKANKICKX. First video of the year, man. Before we get into this video, I need y'all to do me one favor, all right? One time for the one time. Hit that button for your boy, all right? Yo, today I got a good video today. Yo, if you know Jordans, you know what comes in this box, right? If you don't know Jordans, I'm getting ready to show you what comes in this box. What we got today is Air Jordan Retro 13 Game Royals. Focus on there. Got that. Bam. All right. Gonna read the style number and the color code before we get into the shoe. 414571, color code 040. Air Jordan Retro 13 Game Royals. Man, look at these, man. Look at how they put this together. Look, we got the 3M on here. Oh, I couldn't ask for nothing better, man. Jordan brand. Thank you. All right. For all of y'all who don't know me, my favorite color is blue. All right. That's my favorite color. Look at these boys, man. Look at how they did that. All right. So basically what we got, the shoe features, got buttery leather right here. Okay. We got the 3M right here on the upper. They gave us that. We got a blue Royal Jumpman right there on the tongue. All right. Mud guards down here is black. Got two holographic bubbles on the shoe. We got one right here. It's also one on the bottom of the shoe right there. All right. A dope shoe. Very, very, very dope shoe. We also got Jordan right here in royal blue. Bottom features a carbon fiber shank. All right. Now, the interesting thing about 13s, what I always thought was interesting is like why they always put the white on the bottom. Because like when you walk, you know what I'm saying? It gets a little muddy sometimes. So I wish they would have just kept that black on the shoe. But hey, I'm not mad. I'm going to take what they gave us. It's one of my favorite silhouettes right here. So the thing about it is, you know, you always in your favorite silhouette, your favorite colors, right? You always want Jordan brand of like, oh, I wish he would drop, you know, my favorite shoe and my favorite color, man. My favorite color is blue. You know what I mean? So this is just hard to me. This is dope to me. Thank you. I can't wait to bust these. Like, I would never, ever, 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 ever get rid of these. Very, very, very dope shoe. See that? Get that in a life for y'all. Right there, just like that. All right. An interesting fact about the Jordan 13, what a lot of people don't know, these was actually supposed to be the last shots. Because Jordan, when he did win the championship in the last shots, he was wearing these, right? Half of the game. Then he went back to the locker room, changed it to the 14s. Dope shoe. These shoes released December 19th, 2020. And I'm sorry I'm a little late dropping the video, y'all, but hey, we are back. We are back. So why don't you go ahead and bless your new year by hitting that sub button, hit that like button, pull up on me in the comments, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these. Is y'all rocking with them? Did y'all cop? Did y'all cop them to flip? Y'all keeping them? What y'all doing with these? Dope. Very dope silhouette, man. Hey, it is Kang from LOUKANKICKX, all right? And I'm coming back to y'all again with another video, man. Yo, hit that sub button, man. Bless your new year, all right? Hit that like button. Pull up on me, you know? Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all thoughts are on these. Like, whoa. Whoa. Jordan brand. Thank you, all right? Y'all know I got a lot of heat coming this year. I'm coming with it this year. So, hey, Until next time, it's Liu Kang from LOUKANKICKX. I'm signing out. I'm out.